Is your family suffering from moderate to severe home discomfort? An uncomfortable disorder affecting millions of Americans.
We just couldn't get comfortable in our own home.
That's when we knew we had home discomfort.
Home discomfort, or HDC, is caused by an AC unit that is in need of repair. But with 1 hour heating and air conditioning, say goodbye to HDC and hello to comfort. 1 hour is right for everyone, and we'll find your comfort level during your home comfort consultation. Side effects of 1 hour heating and air conditioning include increased comfort, smiles and laughter, not sweating, relaxing on the couch, lower energy bills, saving money on repairs, better sleep, and what doctors describe as air vent appreciation. It's time to stop putting up with home discomfort. It's time to
be comfortable.
With 1 hour heating and air conditioning. Call 1 hour heating and air conditioning today and be comfortable in your own home. Is your family suffering from moderate to severe home discomfort? Then call 1 hour. Ma'am, call 1 hour. You don't have to suffer like that. Just, okay. Is your family suffering from moderate to severe home discomfort? Hello? Can she hear me? Is this microphone working? You need to try 1 hour. 1-855. Okay.